Hey friends, today is a big day. I'm doing my very first unboxing video. This is a dream come true as an artist and content creator. Hippie Crafter, a family-owned art supply brand, sent me these goodies to try out. Inside we've got a couple of goodies. So first up, we have this acrylic paint set. At first glance, I can say I just absolutely love this packaging. Super cute and on brand with the Hippie Crafter name. So it looks like these are premium quality, ultra pigmented, indoor and outdoor use, and water-based. I can't wait to try these out. And let's check out what's in this big box. We have some of their stretched canvases. These are 9 by 12. Can't wait to try these out. These are like the perfect size, I feel like, for a painting. And they sent me some of their permanent vinyl, which I'm especially excited about as a Cricut user. So we've got primary and secondary colors, 25 sheets of glossy, 25 sheets of matte finish. Very excited to try these out. I'll be putting these to the test in upcoming videos, painting on their canvas using their acrylic paint. And I'll also be making a custom studio sign using their permanent vinyl. Plus, I'll be giving you my full thoughts on these products. And I have a promo code so you can get a discount on your order through Hippie Crafter. I'm wondering, have you ever heard of Hippie Crafter or used their products before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. I can't wait to share these products with you. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the full review. Thanks so much for watching.